Hi, I'm Rita. Be careful when it comes to your credit. Maintaining a good credit rating can benefit you for many, many years. Conversely, a bad credit rating will follow you forever. What is the annual fee to renew my credit card?
Sometimes there is none. However, it can range from $25 to $300 or more, and it is automatically charged to your account.
What is the annual interest rate on the balance of my credit card?
This is the most important information you can have. You can avoid paying the interest if you pay your account in full each time you are billed.
Is the interest on my card a fixed or a variable rate?
If it is a variable rate, it can change several times during your contract. Find out how often it can change.
Are there any special programs associated with this card?
These benefits include airline miles, cash back at the end of the year, bonus gifts, magazines, and even product discounts.
Are there any travel-related benefits to having this card?
The card company may provide replacement for lost luggage, car rental insurance, or trip cancellation insurance.
Can I reduce my current interest rate if I stay with this company?
Some companies have loyalty programs that give preferential rates to customers.
How much am I liable for if my card is lost or stolen?
While most companies only hold you liable for $50, there are some steps that they require you to take. For example, reporting the theft to the police. Some companies hold you responsible regardless.
Can I cancel a charge if the service was unacceptable?
Being able to cancel a charge gives you an opportunity to recover the costs of an unacceptable transaction.
Are there fees for low usage?
Strange as it may seem, some credit card companies charge higher rates or fees to those who pay off their bills on time.
What are all the fees associated with this card?
Is there an application fee, a setup fee, a credit limit increase fee, getting copies of checks, getting copies of statements? Find out what the fees are.
What is the late payment fee?
Find out all the charges that are due if your payment is late.
How many days after the payment due date does the late payment fee kick in?
This is called the grace period. You need to know when to mail in those payments to avoid any penalty charges.
What are the rewards programs associated with this card?
Rewards programs can provide you with discounts, cash back, travel benefits, or other gifts.
What is it that Adam, the first man, never had, never saw, but left to his children? I'll tell you the answer later. What is my credit card limit? And are there penalties if I go over the limit?
This is important information to have because it can be expensive and also affect your credit rating.
Can I manage my credit card account online?
This can be very convenient and also provide you with alerts on your credit card activity.
Are your finance charges calculated using a 1 or 2 cycle billing?
2-cycle billing calculations end up being much more expensive for you.
If I make a purchase in person or online with a foreign company, are there foreign transaction fees?
Find out what it costs to do business with a foreign company.
What kind of fraud protection do you offer?
Does the company monitor an expensive purchase, a rash of purchases, a foreign purchase, or any other unusual transactions?
Is there a mobile app so I can manage my account?
Being able to look up balances, make deposits, make payments, and transfer funds can be very convenient.
How is the credit card different from the debit card?
Debit cards do not usually help build up a good credit rating.
What protection is offered for purchases made online?
Ask if they provide credit for returns. Do they provide any purchase protection?
If I dispute a charge, do the funds stay in my account?
This will protect you during any dispute.
If I pay off my balance, but was a few dollars off, am I charged interest on that amount?
Not only might you be charged interest, but it would usually be on the average daily balance.
When should I make my payments?
Usually, payment is due 21 to 28 days after the monthly statement closes. You should pay it a few days beforehand to make sure payment is received on time.
Can I use my credit card at an ATM?
Check out what is allowed. Some companies will charge you if you withdraw funds from an ATM machine.
How many credit cards should I have?
1 or 2 cards should suffice. It is easier to manage when you only have a few cards, and it can provide useful details about your spending habits.
What is it that Adam, the first man, never had, never saw, but left to his children? Parents, of course. That's all for now.